Da Vinci, Frame by Da Vinci. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And today's video is here. I got it in hand. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Let's go. So this is it. Let's start unboxing this. I got my little scissors here, so this will help me with the unboxing. Try to make this thing as neat as possible. Just break this little seal here. Plastic there. Okay, so it's got this little tab here. See a little arrow though, so it's a little green arrow. Takes that off. Okay, you see the box though. Not too crazy. Alright, so now let's pop this puppy open. So if my wife see this, she'd be like, don't let the dog get this stuff that could kill dogs. So let's take it out. I feel like there's a skill set to the unboxing. All right, so let's start with this main package here. Put this aside. And this looks like the main compartment here, where everything is at, like your little carrying bag, right? So this when we open it up, and here it is, right in here. This is it. This is what everybody's going crazy over. Looks pretty dope. It's actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, that's the screen I'm already touching. So that's cool. Let's just sit that there. So when you get the Creator Combo, it comes with this battery attachment. This is for extra battery life, and I'm assuming this goes here on the bottom, just like that. Of course, DJI Mic that comes with the Creator Combo. Okay. What is this here? Okay, so this is the tripod for it. Alright, so I'm assuming you have that here. You're gonna take out this extra battery pack. I wonder if you don't need the battery pack extra. So I'm assuming you go here, you plug up under here with the extra battery, and then you just put it on that tripod, and this is essentially the length of the whole thing. This is it. This is your screen here. You gotta probably take this plastic off. I haven't taken the plastic off yet. That's it. See what else is in here. Oh, so this must be the standard battery. Okay, here we go. So this must be the standard battery for the Osmos right here. So this is the standard battery right here. So what I just put on was the extender. This must be the normal battery right here. The mounting. And that looks like it, man. Some charging cables. And what is this? Oh. So you got the little, oh, fancy. got the little windscreen for the mic. You can see that. I'm gonna call this the squirrel pin. Okay, so that's everything pretty much in the bag. So let's just move all of that stuff aside. Continue with what else is in the box. Okay, a bunch of DJI stickers here. This is your quick start guide. Light cut app. And this looks like the creator combo safety guidelines here. As far as paperwork, so that looks like that's all you're gonna get. With that is some paperwork, and then there's one more box inside here. Let's see what this is. This is the pocket protector. You got it in your pocket. Boom. You see that? Pocket. It'll just sit in there. So you sit it in there like that. The other way probably. Boom. And it'll just sit into that little pocket when you're not using it. That's pretty dope. Oh, and it has the little holder for if you get the little lens. Mists that you can put on there, and that's pretty much it. So I might finally get to try this out on a shoot tomorrow. Stay tuned. All in all, I'm excited to test out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Sometimes as a photographer, it gets difficult to create this content for you guys on YouTube when I'm kind of like a one-man band, right? So I don't have an assistant or a second lighting person to help me capture this content. And I'm hoping that this is going to be the savior for this channel. So stay tuned. As you know, when I do my behind the scenes of my photo shoots, I'm always getting B-roll of my subject and the models and the environment. And I'm going to test this out first thing tomorrow. So stay tuned for some of that footage, and then I'll let you know when I'm using this so you guys can see if you think it's elevating the content on this channel. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. I'm Da Vinci. I'll see you on the next one.